Hello and welcome to the Sound Test Room. My name is Jakob, I'm your host, and this is the OP-1, and I love it so much. Today we are going to create two sounds using the same sound, and we're gonna use the cluster synth for this. You see, I love bass, I love bass, and I especially like the Reese bass lines, and I love drum and bass music, but I also do like the Dutch hardstyle a lot. You can actually use the same Reese bass line to make a Dutch hardstyle lead. The only difference between them is an octave. Well, maybe 2 octaves, maybe even 3. Let's start by making the Reese bass line. The Reese bass line. We're gonna start by choosing the right type of synthesizer engine. And for this one, I'm gonna use the cluster synth. Just hold down shift and then press one of these preset slots here from 1 to 8. I'm gonna choose number 2. Go right up there and choose the cluster one. Press 2 again and here we are. Now I'm gonna turn all these knobs down and let's listen to the sound now. Oh, it sounds good. I'm gonna go up an octave again. What I'm gonna start by doing is tweaking the screen knob. And we're gonna keep it in the middle mode right there. Now the thing with Reese bass lines are actually that you're just using multiple oscillators that you detune. And that's why I like the cluster synth engine. Cluster synth is a bunch of oscillators that you can detune a lot. I'm gonna edit the envelope by pressing number 2 here, and the envelope pops up in the very beautiful OLED display. Attack, decay, sustain, release. Now we're gonna go back to the oscillator section and I'm gonna start fine-tuning my Reese bass line. But first I need to go down an octave. One thing that is very characteristic with drum and bass music when using Reese bass lines is the way that you pitch the notes. And we're gonna do that by using the portamento. If you go to the envelope section and you press shift, you get the play mode and portamento. Now we're gonna keep it in mono, but we're gonna turn up the portamento quite a bit. Now let's add a little bit of spring reverb. So let's flip to page number 3, turn it on, and then hold down shift, press 3 again, and we're gonna go down, all the way down to spring. Right there. Now I'm gonna do some minor tweaks. Oh. We're almost done. I just realized that I need a little bit more portamento. Oh yeah. And here we have a Reese bass line. But I was also talking about the Dutch hardstyle lead sound. And you can get that by going up 3 octaves and just keeping the settings. And that's how you make a Reese bass line, and by pitching it up a few octaves, you've got a Dutch hardstyle lead. As usual, Doug Woods, Colin Sweeney, and me, Jakob at thesoundtestroom.com wishes you a very productive week. Now go finger your stuff and have a lot of fun doing it.